Okay, we're gonna take a little destruction tour of the RV. This is Ninja Cat. She sleeps in here. Hey, Ninja. Alright, so here you can see a little bit of ickiness coming through the wall. And as you go, when I was pulling off the wallpaper, it was getting weaker and weaker and weaker. Ninja, really? And down here, I found even more ickiness. Nobody in their right mind would want their children to sleep with that. So that was the first indication that we would have to pull apart some things and rebuild. So, as you see, things have been pulled apart. This is the insulation and the cat's tail. Here is the paneling above where our children would be sleeping. Not at all secure. This still looks pretty fine. Perfectly fine. Look thick, nice, except for around the vent. And as you can see, vents removed. There is rust on the supports. Guess I get to scrub that off when we take it apart. Yay. This entire thing bows down and leaks. And some of this wood still looked good. Obviously, we got it when we could see these. Couldn't see this, and this isn't that bad. Anyways, most of this looks decent. And then come over here. Another vent removed. Perfect wood. Perfect wood. And then this. Rotted away completely.
What are you doing?
Recording.
Huh?
Recording. See how bad this wood looks? So that was kind of the deciding factor of, hey, maybe we should tear this thing apart. Maybe we shouldn't take off just yet. We wouldn't want our bathroom to collapse around us now, would we? And when we first got it, we already noticed that this is weaker than it should be. This does not look bad from this angle, but God knows what's on the other side. So this has been torn apart to see what we need to deal with here. But this doesn't seem quite as bad. And obviously this, the very last beam in here, looks pretty good compared to the rotted thing in front of it. And this is the new flooring that we have in here. And gonna have some rubbery stuff here to get all the dirt and crud. Still missing a cut. And yeah, that's basically it. This is the roof. This is the tin of the roof. Those are the rust holes. This is the seam. And this also collects water and leaks. So, yes, this is the project ahead in the next several months. This is the gross tar stuff that was coating the roof. It was really hard to get off, and in fact, we tore the tin a lot right over here. It was already torn a little bit and we tore it a lot. Oops! So now we're deciding what to do with the roof, what kind of roof to replace it with. Otherwise, I mean, it's really not in terrible shape. There are some bad things, like that big old cut here. But yeah, we're in the planning process of how to tackle this. We know we need to rebuild things like this. We know we need some more structure support there. Obviously, this needs to be taken care of. Hopefully, it's not that bad over here when we start pulling it apart, because I watched a video last night of somebody redoing this whole entire thing, and that didn't look terribly fun. I could deal with the walls and the roof. I don't want to take this apart. So yeah, there is the status of the RV. As you can see, and Ninja's residing here while it's under construction. She says she's gonna come with us. Okay, bye now.